This is smaller than I thought. I thought actually it was bigger, but comes in handy. So let me just show you. Okay, I'm a little confused right now. Oh, okay, this makes sense now because this is magnetic. You put it on your dishwasher. So when it's dirty, you just flip it. When it's clean, then there's no need to ask. I'm just not sure what is this for because this is magnetic. I could use this actually for my phone, but this is perfect because always having trouble, especially if there's more than one person in the house, then you're not sure if it's clean or dirty.